How's it going? This is Peter with Dr. Headlights. Today we have this nice BMW here, 5 Series. The headlights look pretty bad, as you can see here. They're very hazed. If you want them to look like this, okay, it's $55 for both headlights. If you need the bottom ones done too, it will be an extra $10. What I do to these headlights is I sand them down and then I buff them out, okay? It's a compound polish, and then I seal them with ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is the hardest sealer that you can put on any metal or plastic. It will last you 3+ years. I do give lifetime warranty on all my headlight jobs. Anything happens to them, just give me a call. I'll come and retouch them up. Again, it's $55 for both headlights, extra $10 for the fog lights. I come to you anywhere in Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater, anywhere in the Tampa Bay area, I will come to you, even as far as down as Sarasota. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And I just want to make a quick video to show you guys how they look after I coat them with the ceramic coating. This is how it looks. Again, ceramic coating is a 9H thickness. It's actually 6 times stronger than clear coat. So there's a lot of people using clear coat to restore these things to brand new, but the ceramic coating is way stronger. It is a lot better. It'll last you a lot longer. Repels rain. Oxidation won't stick to it, and it looks beautiful. As you can see right here, it looks like a brand new headlight. Okay, let's go over here on this one. Beautiful. The clarity, as you can see, they are brand new again.